Achu. Bless you. But why do we say that anyway? It all started in 590 AD during a plague outbreak in Europe. Pope Gregory the I thought sneezing was an early sign of illness, so he ordered people to say God bless you to protect others from death. But wait, it gets weirder. In ancient Rome, people believed sneezing could cause your soul to escape your body, and evil spirits might sneak in. So saying bless you was like a spiritual shield to keep demons away. Yes, a simple Achu once triggered prayers, panic, and even ghost-proofing. Got more weird traditions you want explained? Drop them in the comments.